The M18 fuel impact driver, the power behind it, you know it's always going to be there.
It's powerful, lightweight, compact.
The M18 fuel impact driver has more power. It allows me to be quicker. It's more reliable than.
It's just so versatile with the speed and the strength that it's great for any application.
I was surprised by the speed. The speed of it is a lot faster than other impacts on the market. I would say it's probably 40 to 50% faster.
Speed's a lot faster. You can get the screws in a lot quicker.
It's just reliable, it's fast, and it's got great visibility.
I love the trigger control. It's all about not stripping the screw out or not snapping a screw in half. So it's huge for us.
It's nice to be able to feather it back so you don't need all the power at once, to kind of use the finesse if you need to.
Trigger pull is smooth, crisp, controllable.
Having the right control while maintaining the speed is critical.
I love using one key. I love the self-tapping mode. It does the work for me. Goes in, stops right where I need it to be.
The M18 fuel driver, the light, the power, the feathering. What else can you ask for?
It's definitely the only impact I use.